Hello everybody, in this video we're gonna create an amazing CSS image hover effect with pure CSS, and as you see we are gonna create this amazing hover image effect. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna create a new folder and I name it CSS image hover effect, and I open this with Visual Studio Code and I create an index file and I create a style file, style.css. And in here, I'm just gonna add an exclamation mark and hit tab. All right, I add the title and also I link the CSS file. I hit save and I'm going to style.css, and first of all, I wanna add a Google font, and second of all, I delete the default style of the browser. So I say padding would be 0 and I add margin 0, and also I add box sizing border box. Okay, now getting back to the index file, we're just gonna add an figure tag for each individual hover image. So in here, I'm gonna say figure, I add a class, image hover, and in the figure tag, I'm gonna add an img tag, and the source of this image, I'm just gonna copy and paste this link, and for the alt tag, I'm just gonna add this title. Now we're gonna add these two title. So in here I add a div with class of title, and in here I just add another div. This div would be for, let me show you guys. All right, we are gonna create this div for our white lines. So I'm gonna add our titles H2 and H4. Also, I'm gonna add our fig caption with a paragraph. All right. And after all these, I add a tag for our link. All right, I hit save. Now it's time to go live. So now you can see our HTML, and now it's time to add a style. I start with body tag. First I add an background color, sharp 21, 21, 21. I hit save to protect our eyes. In here I can say word wrap, and after that I say display flex, and I add justify content center. I say align item center, and I add flex flow wrap. Why I add this? Because I wanna make this image hover responsive. So I say height 100 VH, and after that I add our image hover. Before that, in here, I'm just gonna add font family, railway, and sans serif for the alternative. All right, in here, I just add position, relative, overflow hidden, margin 10 pixel, min width 230 pixel, max width would be 315 pixel, and width would be 100%, color would be white, and text align would be center, font size would be 1 rem, and background color would be black. Hit save. Now you can see our image. After that, I say .image hover img, max width 100%, and vertical align would be top. After that, I say image hover title, position absolute top 58%, and left 25 pixel. I add a padding 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and 10 pixel. I hit save. Now I'm gonna add our lines, our aqua lines. .image hover .title before, and .image hover .title after. Height 2 pixel, width 400 pixel, position absolute, and I add content. To see this, I add a background color of, I can say aqua. Now it's time to set each individual before and after. First I add before, I delete this, and I say top 0, left 10 pixel, and transform, translate x 100%. I make a copy of this and I say after. In here I say bottom 0 and right would be 10 pixel, and transform x would be minus 100%. I hit save. Now we can't see these lines anymore because we're gonna create an hover image, and when we hover this image we can able to see this. Now it's time to add our white lines. So I'm gonna copy all of these codes and I'm gonna paste it here. We're gonna just add a div here. After that, we customize it for our white lines. So width would be 300 pixel and color would be white. And in here, top is 10 pixel and left is 0. Transform Y 100%, and in here bottom would be 10 pixel, and in here we have left 0 and right 0, and in here we add translate Y minus 100%. And of course in here we should change the place of height and width. I hit save again. Now it's time to add some styles to our title. So I say image hover h2 and image hover h4, and I say margin 0, text transform uppercase. Now I say image hover h2, font weight 400, and I say image hover h4, font weight 700, background color white, padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel, and color black. Alright, now it's time for our caption. I say image hover, fig caption, and position absolute, bottom 42% and left 25 pixel, text align left, opacity 0, padding 5 pixel, 60 pixel, 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Font size 0.8 rem. Font weight 500 and letter spacing 1.5 pixel. We can't see the caption anymore, so I'm gonna add image hover A, and I'm say position absolute, and I say inset 0. And with adding this, our link magically gonna work. So now it's time for our hover. I say image hover, img. I say zoom 1, filter alpha, opacity equal to 35. And also I say opacity 0.35. Now we can see when we are hovering our image, we can see an amazing effect. So now it's time to show our caption and our lines when we are hovering this image. So I say that image hover dot title before, and I'm gonna copy this and I say after. Also I'm gonna add another image hover dot title div before, and I'm gonna copy this and paste it again and I say after. Alright, now we say transform translate 0, Control S. Now we can see our lines when we are hovering it. But also we can see this animation, this amazing effect. But don't worry about it, we're gonna make it. So I say dot image hover, I'm gonna just copy this part and paste it here, and also I have to delete this part. Now we're gonna add transform delay 0.15 second, and also I'm gonna add image hover fig caption opacity 1 and transition delay 0.2 second. I hit save. Now you can see we have our transition delay, but still we can't see that amazing effect. For doing that, we're just gonna say dot image hover star and our image hover star before and our image hover star after. So in here we add transition all 0.55 second is Control S, and now we can see our amazing effect. And in here we can just copy this figure and paste it here and here, and we're just gonna change these links, maybe 35, Control S, and now we can see this amazing hover image. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I see you soon.